What is ISO 9001? ISO is the International Organization for Standardization, and 9001 pertains to a Quality Management System, or QMS. A QMS is a formal set of processes, policies, and procedures that are designed to ensure your business can consistently turn out quality products and services so that you can meet your customers' expectations. A quality policy and a set of objectives are used to make sure your QMS is effective. ISO 9001 helps small businesses secure big contracts and specific customers. In fact, many businesses are required to be certified to supply their products and services because their customers want to be reassured that they won't face quality issues that could lead to a disruption in the supply chain. It's not complicated to secure ISO certification, but it can be overwhelming to put everything in place for your certification audit, especially if you are a small business and you don't have a dedicated quality department. With our team of dedicated expert ISO consultants and our virtual assistance capabilities, the core platform walks you step by step to certification. Through the process, we'll help your organization prepare all the necessary documentation, including a quality manual. We use the core compliance platform to house that documentation for easy and organized access. We'll also help you with your management review and your internal audit, which is a documented practice audit that you'll conduct in-house prior to the registrar's review. ISO certification is normally achieved within 4 months using CORE's processes and technology, but you can expedite your preparation to get certified in as little as 30 days if needed. CORE helps you prepare everything needed for your certification audit. Once you complete your Stage 1 and Stage 2 registrar audits, you'll receive your ISO 9001 certificate. We'll help you promote your certification, and we'll keep you compliant for years to come.